Toter, leading manufacturer of residential and commercial collection carts, is the preferred cart brand of the hauling industry. Toter construction, design, and ease of operation makes them ideal for a variety of uses beyond waste removal and recycling. Our patented Advanced Rotational Molding process allows us to manufacture carts that are durable, commercial-grade quality. Since the manufacturing process is stress-free, it allows us to produce carts that are stronger and more impact-resistant than injection-molded carts that can be brittle and break easily. Toter carts are also known for their effortless maneuverability. Unlike other carts that can be unnecessarily heavy and difficult to roll, Toter carts are easy to tilt and roll, which makes transporting materials a snap. Toter carts are as attractive as they are durable, with a textured granite finish that hides scuffs and scratches. Toter carts are available in 32, 48, 64, and 96-gallon sizes to suit a variety of applications. Toter carts are ideal for storing and transporting horse feed, dog food, grass seed, bird seed, fertilizer, athletic equipment. Toter carts are also ideal for construction and home remodeling cleanup and for traditional waste and recycling applications.